everyone. Today I'm going to be participating in a collaboration. It's Ellen from Ellen's Homemade Delights collaboration, and it's hashtag backtoschoolfoods. We are asked to make either a breakfast or a snack. Okay, so I'm in South Dakota right now visiting a couple of my kids and my grandkids. So I thought it would be fun if they would make the snack with me. So my contribution for the hashtag Back to School Foods is Minion Snack Mix. What all goes into Minion Snack Mix? 2 bags of Muddy Buddies, 1 cup pretzel sticks, 1 cup of blue and yellow M&Ms. I couldn't find any just blue and yellow, so we're going to separate them. So just take out the blue and yellow ones to use. 1 container of candy eyes and yellow candy melts, and this is optional. So let's begin. So I have 2 helpers today. I have Anar and I have Penelope. They're going to make their own Minion Snack Mix. They each get to make their own and they will follow the instructions. Let's get started. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, take your bag of the Muddy Buddies. Yep, and pour it into the bowl. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so next take your cup that's got the pretzels in it
Okay.
and dump that in the bowl. All right, now you can give it a stir a little bit. Awesome, you guys are doing a good job. All right, that's okay. You ready to add more stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so next take the blue M&Ms and dump them in the bowl. Awesome. And then put the yellow M&Ms in the bowl. Now stir them up. Good job. All right, what comes next? What are they?
Eyeballs.
Eyeballs. Okay,
Yeah.
put the eyeballs in the bowl. Put the whole thing in. Yeah. All right. We'll sit right there for a minute. We got one more thing to add, okay? All right, so now we're going to add some Drizzle candy melts just to give it the Minion color.
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
Yeah. I want to.
If you
Maybe
Right.
I just have him take the spoon.
Right. Should I get 2 spoons? Just
same one. They can
Just
each
one at a time.
okay. Hold on. Like Anar go first, and then you can go. Okay.
Okay. Pick up the spoon and kind of let it just all
Go
over
all over
top.
the place. Just kind of take your spoon
All
out.
over.
Yeah.
There you
Good
go.
job.
Nice.
Want a little bit more?
Yeah. You want to do some more? Go ahead and put it in there. I know. You just gotta get some more. There you go. Now go again. All over the side. Nice. This
Future chefs here, guys.
those are all over.
Oh, you're a good drizzler, guys. You drizzle better than I do.
Give me some more. All
I think it mine.
over here. Go on this side.
Mine looks good.
One spot.
In the middle.
How's Penelope doing?
It looks great. It looks about the same, you know?
Can I see?
Yeah, totally. All right, now I'll finish both of y'all's off, okay?
Oh, wow. That looks...
Okay, bring me your bowl.
Nice.
All right, this is Inara's. Okay, come here, Penelope. And this is Penelope's. And they'll be doing a taste test. All right, the girls are going to do the taste test.
Try that one.
What do you think?
Good.
Good. All right. Well, there you have it, folks. Expert taste testers here and future chefs. All right, so my taste testers pointed out to me that what they made did not look like a Minion. So we made a Minion. I think it looks pretty good. I do want to thank Ellen from Ellen's Homemade Delights for hosting the hashtag backtoschoolfoods. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.